May announcement na naman si official. Anong ginawa nyo naman 18? Ito yung announcement sa baba. As we gear up for a highly anticipated SB19 Pagtag finale on May 18 and 19, we kindly remind you to support the event through the official partners, iWant TV, tickets at iwanttfc.com, and IPTV. We strongly discourage participating in or promoting illegal or unauthorized streaming platforms or events. Ensuring you watch through the official channels not only provides you with the best viewing experience but also supports SB19 and the entire team behind this spectacular event. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. So ayun na nga. So ang tanong nito ngayon, ano ang take ko sa issue na to? Okay, so there's always two sides of every story. So the first one is SB19 with the partners. Kasi yung mga meron silang partners who fund this live streaming event. Meron silang pondo na binibigay for SB19 para makapanood yung fans. Okay, so and yung pondo na yun ay merong in exchange from fans, which is yung bayad to access the platform. Okay, the other side of the story is may mga fans na hindi afford. So hindi nila kayang bayaran yung amount ng fee sa live streaming platform. So they prefer na i-share yung access so they can watch in groups. But the thing is, may mga team na merong live streaming events na may bayad. Okay? So they have entrance fee also in a small amount. Hindi na yung actual payment amount. Sabi ko, parang okay naman siguro gumawa ng event na ganito as long as yung entrance fee nyo is yung binayaran nyo na ticket. Although sabay-sabay kayo, pero at least bumili kayo sa live streaming platform to support also the voice. Pero, inisip ko, the point na nagsama-sama sila is because hindi nila afford yung ticket. Yon. So, nag-ambagan sila to rent a venue. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung venue. They can buy their own food with just one streaming platform access. So, ambagan. Actually, nung nalaman ko yung issue na to, medyo nag 50-50 na ako sa judgment ko sa kanila. Kasi, it's valid naman, you can share the platform. But, medyo off tayo sa part na nanghihingi ng entrance. Pero valid din naman kasi yung entrance na yun is for the rent of the venue. Payment for the access of the platform, for their food. Or, not sure though. Pero, mostly kasi sa venue, valid din naman. It's just that, wala silang permission to do it. Tapos, ang off part lang is, isa lang yung binayaran nila, maraming nakapanood. 'Di ba? If you think sa business perspective, isa nakakikumita doon kasi shinare mo yung view eh. Kasi they are paying per view o per access. 50-50 ako sa issue na to. Mahirap din kasi makahanap ng punto kung pareho silang valid for me ha. Valid siya. It's just that sa ganitong pagkakataon, para sa akin, mas maganda talaga na mag-purchase ka because the way you support them is actually also supporting the organization, the voice, the funding. But yun yung mas favor ako doon sa part na yun, sa business perspective. If you have other opinion, you can comment below kung anong take mo dito.